Welcome back. Digambar Kamath Gatwal Soon group members agitated on the second day of IFFI. They released their spoof movie poster based on Munna Baba MBBS movie. There was strict police force to deter the agitation, but the team members continued their activities. However, the police force lifted the black carpet laid by the team. Activists said they will be back tomorrow again. On the second day of IFFI, the Digambar Kamath Gatwal Soon group members protested opposite to ESC complex. They will have this protest on all the remaining 9 days of IFFI. They are protesting on MOI issue. However, they protested with banners on different films and released a special spoof film based on Munna Baba MBBS. Member of the team Yugank Naik said that the government is afraid of the agitation.
पहिली गजाल आमी सांगिल्ली की आमी हांगा पिसफूल करतले, आमी कसलें डिसरप्शन करपाना इफी खातीर, आमी आमचें सगळें पिसफूल आसा. इतलें आसून जर पुलीस अशें करता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना एक तर सरकार भिला, सरकाराक भंय आसा आपल्या बदनामीचो आनी सरकाराक खबर आसा हो निर्णय आपलो चुकला आनी आपली नाचक्की जावपा जायना म्हणून सरकार असले तरेचे नाडेपेन्ना करता.
There was strict police vigilance at the spot. The police force lifted the black carpet of the agitators. They have informed that they will be back tomorrow again.
Digambar Bilo! Carpet Gyung Gelo! Digambar Bilo! Carpet Gyung Gelo! English why? My Basai! English why? My Basai!
आम्ही आमच्या आईचे पिक्चर रिलीज करता आणि ते जाऊन असा
Munna Baba!
MBBS!
आईचे पिक्चर!
PPP Production presents
Munna Baba! MBBS!
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Pilan Citizens Forum suspects a big land scam in the notified regional plan. They say that there are several variations in the percentage of land mentioned in the draft plan and the notified plan. They have demanded immediate denotification of the plan.
The forum has pointed out several discrepancies in the notified regional plan. They say that percentage of several aspects like private forest land, water bodies and cultivable land has been drastically reduced. Also, they say mention of uses of orchids and cultivable land for racing tracks, helipads and garbage sites in the notified plan is unexplainable.
This is a big scam here. In Kankon, the forest area which was marked by the draft, by the task force in the draft plan was 79.99%. That means nearly 80% of Kankon is forest. In other words, 79.99. But if you see in the final notification, that percentage has fallen down to 54.89%. From 80%, it has come down to near 55%. Where did the other forest land go?
They have also condemned the builders' lobby for supporting the plan. They have asked for denotification of the plan.
Roads is a big scandal here, the road thing that they are doing. Secondly, these variations are unexplained, absolutely unexplained. There is variations in figures, and now government is putting some sort of a dilemma in the minds of people by saying no, it's a good plan, small mistakes here, there is no mistakes. All these things are gross violations. Therefore, this plan warrants denotification. And denotification करून task force वो plan based धरा, village committee ग्राम सभाची recommendation गया. Edgar Ribeiro सारख्या मनशाक परतो पिक्चरान हाडा.
Our reporters Jason Suarez and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
NCP's patience is now running out. The alliance partner has asked the Congress to decide about their demand of 2 constituencies as fast as possible. NCP State President Surendra Sirsat has stressed that Congress Party's concrete decision is needed at the earliest because if they are denied 12 seats, then the party needs time to prepare itself to go alone for polls.
जो कितें निर्णय आसा तो बेगीनच्या बेगीन जावचो आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमकां कामाक सुरवात करपाक सुरवात मेळटली. एखाद्या वेळा समज तेंच्यांनी जर नकारात्मक भुमिका जर घेतली जर जाय जाल्यार आमकां एकला चलो रे म्हणून किंवा एकटे निवडणूक लडोवची हाच्या दृश्टीन आमकां प्रयत्न करचे पडटले आनी ते आतापासून करणे आवश्यक आसा. कारण आयत्या वेळा रावन फाल्यां जर एका आमी थारायलें की 20-22 मतदारसंघांतल्यान आमी उमेदवार उबे करचे म्हणून जाल्यार आमकां तिका वेळ मेळोंक जाय मागीर न्हू. तर त्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान युतीचो निर्णय जो आसा तो बेगीनच्या बेगीन जावचो अशी भूमिका आमच्या काही पक्षाच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी मांडलेली आसा.
Surendra Sirsat reiterated his demand that party wants 12 seats for NCP for the forthcoming assembly election. He says that they have demanded seats in constituencies which are at presently having BJP MLAs. He also mentioned that the party has worked hard in these constituencies.
त्या मतदारसंघातल्यान आम्ही काम केलेले आसा. आमचो पाया थंयसर मजबूत आसा. पाया आमी थंयसर विस्तारीत केल्लो आसा. आणि शेवटी जेन्ना तुम्ही युती म्हणून जेन्ना निवडणुकीक सामोरे वयता त्या वेळार पक्षाचो जो कोण उमेदवार आसता तो उमेदवार निवडून येवंक जाय. निवडून येवपाची एक क्षमता आसूंक जाय. आणि ह्या 12 मतदारसंघात आम्ही जे पळय कितें काही आमचे जे पळय उमेदवार आम्ही प्रोजेक्ट केलेले आसात ते आम्ही खात्री आसा की ते निवडून येवूच शकता. म्हणजे निवडून 100% येतले. आम्ही जे कितें मागणी केलेल्या मतदारसंघाची ते सध्या थंयसर बीजेपीचे आमदार आसात. आम्ही काँग्रेसचो खंयचो आमी आमदार आसात थंयसर आमी खंयसर मतदारसंघ मागोवंक ना. जे जागे आज मतदारसंघ बीजेपी कडेन आसात ज्या मतदारसंघातले बीजेपीचे आमदार आसात तेच आम्ही मतदारसंघाची मागणी केलेली आसा.
A reporter from Apsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
The novenas of Goa's patron St Francis Xavier began on Thursday. The novenas will culminate on 3rd December with the feast of St Francis Xavier. This year, the papal nuncio, that is the ambassador of the Vatican, is expected to grace the feast of Goinzo Sahib.
Though the feast of St Xavier is essentially a Christian festival, all Goans, irrespective of their caste and religious faiths, flock to the Basilica of Bom Jesu during the novenas. The feast is celebrated every year on December 3rd to mark the death anniversary of the saint. He is affectionately called Goinzo Sahib. Since this occasion is an important one, people from all over the world come here to participate in the proceedings. The mass prayers for the 9-day novenas begin as early as 4 in the morning and continue throughout the day. This year's feast is expected to be an important one with the visit of the papal nuncio, that is the ambassador of the Vatican.
This year for the feast we are expecting the papal nuncio, that is the ambassador of the Vatican to India. He'll be the main celebrant during the Mass. But we are also expecting some other ambassadors of different, some European countries. I can't disclose, but they may come also. So we are expecting a lot of dignitaries, high dignitaries coming here for this Mass.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.